Hey guys, it's Lauren with Bargain Bead Box, and I am so excited about the March shipment. We're getting it all packed up. And in the process, we've done something a little different with our labels this month. We've added the numbers back on because you guys told us you missed them. Thanks for letting us know. Each item will be numbered 1 to 17. But we realized after everything was already labeled and packed up, of course, that 2 of the labels have very small typos. That's probably my fault. I wanted to point those out for you and also give you a little sneak peek at what we're doing. So if you don't want the sneak peek, if you don't want any spoilers, I'll just tell you now. One of the strands is 14.5, and I somehow put 24.5. Sorry, that's my bad. Very clearly, if you look at it, is close to 15, not 25 inches. I apologize. The other one is an item that is half drilled at the top. And the label was supposed to say half drilled, and somehow it came out saying just top drilled. So just know, again, it's not a huge deal, but I like to be precise and correct, and I wanted to let you know that. So now if you want to see the spoilers, because I messed this up, I'm going to show you the strands, and also because I'm super excited about this month. It's one of my favorite gemstones, and I get to send it to y'all. So spoilers incoming. Let's take a look. All right, so this is the strand that has a typo. It is an 8mm flower Amazonite matte round. It says $7.99 retail value, and it is not in fact 24.5 inches. It is 14.5 inches, and I love these beads. They're just this cool natural seafoam color with these beautiful hints of brown and white and black. They look like the beach to me. They make me want to go on vacation. They make me really happy. So that is just one of our strands of Amazonite in this month's package. It's super fun. I can't wait for you to see them all. I'm trying to decide how much I'm going to show you. I want to show you all of it, but I also want you to be somewhat surprised. And we're going to have some really fun accent color. I can't wait to show that to you. Well, I'm not going to show that to you. I can't wait for you to see that when you get your package, because I want to keep some things surprising. Okay, so these are the half drilled teardrops that got labeled as top drilled. You can see they have a half drill at the top. You can glue a little eye pin in there and have a nice little pendant, or however you want to do it. And these are a $7.99 retail value. Look at that faceting. It's amazing. These are absolutely gorgeous Amazonite, and the colors will vary a lot. Here's another set. You can see it's a natural stone. You'll have some that are more minty green, some that have the white and brown, and some that have a little of both. So it's gonna vary, but you will get 2 of them, as well as your 14.5 inch strand. And I'm gonna show you one more Amazonite strand because I can't resist. Look at these. These are a 3mm faceted round. They're cut by the same lapidary that did our garnet beads for February. They are just absolutely stunning. The faceting's amazing. The color, so beautiful. These are a little on the minty green side. This one's a little more the minty blue. So again, you might see some variation. But these are a $9.99 MSRP, guys. And I'm just, these 3 items, just these 3 items, are about a $26 retail value, which is over the $22.99 cost of the whole entire box. Plus you get free shipping in the USA. And if you sign up by March 9th, this is the subscription you will start, or this is the shipment your subscription will start with. So I'm so thrilled. We got an incredible deal on this Amazonite. There's some other fun gems in the box too. It's not quite all Amazonite, I promise. And some fun, pretty, sparkly other colors. And I love our metal tone this month. Can't wait for you to see that. Anyway, I'm really excited. If you can't tell, I wanted to share this with you, make you aware of, this is a 14.5 inch strand. This should probably have said half drilled, not top drilled. We're still working on dialing in our communication process with the factory, getting them to put in the number as well as the MSRP for us. But I am really excited we have both on the labels. I think it'll make it smoother for you guys to have a more fun unboxing experience. And I'd love to hear your feedback about that. And I really, really can't wait to see March. So if you're a current member, you'll be getting these beads and 13 other items plus a little bonus. Just a tiny thing. Don't get too excited about the bonus. It's very small. I just wanted to throw it in. But you will get a total of 17 items for a retail value of about $90. It comes to $89 and some change, over 70% savings. We got a stunning deal on Amazonite. It's one of my favorite stones, and I hope you love it.